How to sync Google Chat across all your devices. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and now in the search bar, search for Google Chat. Google Chat is a communication platform developed by Google. It is designed to facilitate real-time messaging and collaboration among individuals and groups. You want to click on the very first website here or directly head over to chat.google.com. Now on your browser, make sure that you are already signed into your Google account. If you are not, enter your Gmail ID, then enter your password and sign into your account. If you are already signed into your Google account, then you will not have to log into Google Chat separately. Ensure that you are signed into the Google Chat with the same Google account across all of your devices. Now to sync Google Chat across all of your devices including computer, smartphone, tablet, you can use Google's official applications and services. So if you are signed on your computer and you want to sync your Google Chat in your mobile phone, then you want to head over to chat.google.com, sign into the same account that you have used for Google Chat on your computer, or you can also do the same for the application as well. Once you have been signed in using the same account, you will be able to access your chats and messages on your smartphone or tablet. Google Chat automatically syncs your conversations and messages across all of your devices in real time. This means that when you send or receive a message on one device, it will be immediately reflected on all the other devices where you are signed in. You simply want to adjust the notification settings to receive alert for new messages on all of your devices. And by following these steps, you should be able to sync Google Chat across all of your devices. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.